Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create user account on Windows 10. Before we starting, subscribe, like and share. Let's start. Click on search bar, type control panel and hit enter. And then look for user account. Click on user account and then click on manage another account. Click add new user in PC. When you open this page, click on add someone else to this PC. Then tap your username and then tap your password for this user. Re-enter your password and answer these three questions which are down. Click on this one and select the question and type the answer. Then click on another question. Click next, and this is the user is successfully created. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.